So yes, so text area, so this way we can capture. So the next one, what is other inputs we are having, other form control? So another one is the select one. All right, so then where is this one? Here, div, then select. Inside we have option. Okay, so then first one is the select country. Okay, so then option, first one, what is first one? So India. Then here we have to give the value equal to a value equal to India. So then same thing, we are having multiple options. Okay, USA, UK, so then Canada. Okay. USA, then UK. Okay, so then how we can set the values just here? How we can set the values here? So then first one, here we can set the, where is this one? Where is, here it is. Here it is. Okay, constant. So then country, comma, set country equal to use state. Okay, so then country value, where we have to place it, set country, event dot target dot value. Okay, then so whatever enter that value, so we are setting here. Okay, so the next one, then we can display it here. So same thing here, country is the value. Where is our select? Value equal to country. So then on change, same and in change. Okay, no errors. So then inside alert, it is this one, country, right? Country. Now that's it. No errors, submitted. So we didn't get anything, right? So that's why. So then India. So first India के, why both India के? Set the text area. Test message. So when we change this one, it is changing. Unchanged handle change is coming. So then we can change this one. So constant. So then country select. Country select equal to event. So why? Because it is changing immediately. So that will trigger into that one. So that's why a event. So then implies set country. We can place it here. Okay. So now we have to call this one. Where is this one? In the unchain. So we can. Okay. So now nothing will happen. Okay. Test message. Test message. So then India. Okay. No? So two values. Okay. So this way. So we can get the values of one. So this way we will get the values of ones. So the next one is the next one important thing is the routing. Okay. So this way we can submit the form values, and this way we can get the values. So then we can see this one also. We can try one more time here. So why it is not coming? Where is this one? Here it is. Your state inputs, set inputs. So then set inputs. Then event dot target dot my name. Okay. So then set event dot target dot email. So the next one set inputs events dot target dot phone. Okay. So then here we can display in alert set inputs dot reading my name cannot. No, it is. Somewhere something one small thing is missing here. Event dot target dot. Still my name is having. Okay, here we change that. Name the target that name and name the target that value, then what is the error here? NPM start. Compile successfully. Set inputs. Phone is coming now. Okay. Phone number is coming. We will see that one. So to somewhere binding is mistake. So I'll check that one. This is message. This is country. So first message is coming. So then again message is coming. So then country is coming. Okay. So this one I will check. Okay. So the next concept is forms. So next important concept in this one. So input fields, text area. So then this one. So then routing concept. So what is routing? So we are saying, so Angular JS and React JS, all the JS frameworks are happening with the single page framework. But internally, it is taking, it is using this routing concept, it is redirecting to that component. Whenever we are calling the component, any of the component, so without redirecting, without browser loading, so the routing concept will help to load that component. Using this routing concept, we can call the components. Okay, so routing concept is helpful for, so how we can navigate one component to other component. So routing concept is useful for, so how we can navigate one component to other component. Okay, so that is why we are using the routing concept. So if you want to go to the one component, so when it comes to the real time, so we cannot load like this, right? So we can load multiple components in one page, so we can load another components in another page. So if you want to move one page to another page, so we have to take the help of routing concept. When we are practicing, So whatever component we are practicing, we can load that component in the index file, right? So but when it comes to the real time, it is not happening like that. Okay, so for suppose if you are loading the home page, so whatever home page related components we can place in that home page only. So whatever other, for suppose we are having the contact as component, contact component, so only that contact related components we can place in that component.js file. Okay, so to redirect, for suppose from home page to I want to go to the contact, so then how I can go? We have to provide the navigation, right? So through that navigation, when we click on that one, so it is redirecting to that one. Okay, like how it is acting in HTML, we are providing one page to another page, we can use the anchor tag, right? We can use the anchor tag. So in this same thing also, here we are having the routing concept. So then before using the routing concept, we have to install a package. We have to install a package. First we have to add a React router package. To run the React router, to add the React router package, so we have to run this command, npm I minus the react hyphen router hyphen dom. Okay, so if without this one, so we cannot, without this one, so we cannot run the routing concept. It is installing npm I minus d react hyphen router hyphen dom. Yes, it is installed. Now the router is installed. The next one, folder structure. Next one, we have to create a folder structure. Okay, we have to create a folder structure. So what is folder structure? For suppose for suppose so in the whenever we are in React introduction, so we said we have to organize the folder structure. For suppose now I am creating a pages, till now I am creating a components, right? Still now I am creating a components. Now I am creating a pages. Where is this one? In the src, in the src I am creating the pages. Okay, pages. In that pages, these are all the pages. So if you want to move one page to another page, so we have to use the pages concept only. So you can give any name, it's not a problem. Okay, so when it comes when in general talking, so if you want to move to one component to another component, so we have to use the concept, we have to, the terminology is called the pages. So that's why we are created pages. So inside pages, so what type of layouts you have to place? That means, so how many pages you want to place in your application? So I'm creating inside this one. I have a I have a first layouts.js, layouts.js. Okay, so in the layouts.js, what I have to define? So what I have to define in the layouts.js? So in the layouts.js, so I can define in the layouts.js, I can define the links. Okay, navigation links I can provide it. Okay, navigation link. So whatever navigation paths you need, so those paths I can provide it here. Okay, in the layout.js. So the next one I need, so whatever pages you need. So for suppose I want contact.js, contact contact.js. Okay, so the next one home.js. Okay, so the next one services.js. So the next one products.js. Okay, so this way we can create it. So the next one, for suppose, so without calling, so without so here in this I have so 4 pages, right? So contact, home, and then product and 4 pages. So for suppose whenever, so whatever pages are there, so we have to call only those pages. So in this folder we are having only 4 folders, so I am calling whatever pages are not there in this. So if I call it that page, so it is redirecting to 404 pages. That means that means so not found pages. Okay, so whatever pages are not there inside of this pages folder, so then if you can call that pages, so in generally it is redirecting to 404 pages. That is the error name. So whatever pages are not there in our application, if we can call that pages, so then it is redirecting to 404. For suppose if you are not, if you are unauthorized to access, that means you don't have permissions to access that one, so it is redirecting to the 501. That means, so you are not authorized to access that page. You are not authorized to access that page. Okay. So then now, so here I'm created a layout.js first. Okay, layout.js. So first this layout.js, I have to call 6 high, this no problem. Okay, first we have to go to the index.js. So then where is this one? Index.js. So first I have to import it, right? First I have to import that pages. Import. So then first layout from where it is having, then slash pages, then layouts dot, so no need to give that js dot extension, layout.js. So then you can go to the layouts.js. So inside layout.js, so what you have to create, so then in this layout.js, so we can place the navigation. So for suppose if you can observe here, yes, this type of navigation you want to create. So for that one, so you have to use the, so in the html structure, what we said, so first we have to create a nav, right? Nav. Okay, so inside this one we are having the group of links. Okay, so then ul, so then li. Okay, li. So for this li, so first one, so we have to, in this li, we have to create a ahref. In general, in html we can create a href equal to, so then inside link name, so then link name, so then after that home, right? Home, then this way we can create, right? So same thing. So in coming to this one, what is this one, the react, so we have to create it like this, link. Okay, so then two, so whatever we are used in html href, here if you want to give the link, we have to use the two. Okay, so then if you want to go to the, block, services services page, I want to go. When I click on this one, okay, so then services. Okay, so here we used the link, right? So then, so this link package is having outlet outlet component. So then import, so then outlet. See, so where it is having this outlet, where it is having a react router dot dom, it is having. So then, so what we are calling here, outlet comma a link, okay, created. So then instead of this one, it is a function, right? It is a function, right? So then constant, constant. So then layout, then layout equal to equal to our layouts equal to it's a function. Then here we are close this, right? So here we are close. So then before this one, so where it is having this link is having, where it is having in the outlet, it is having in the outlet. So we have to close this outlet where so here we are having multiple fields. So closed. So then we have to call the outlet component. Outlet component. Okay, so inside outlet component only these link methods are having. Okay, so that's why we are called outlet component here. Okay, now layouts function is completed. So then now I am exporting the export default. So this layout component, so we are exporting this layout component, we are exporting. All right, so then this layout component, layouts only, right? So we are going to this layouts from pages. So then this is fine. Now I'm commenting this fonts also, commenting this fonts also. So then now constant my now equal to a react dom dot create root. So then document dot get element by id, instead of this one. So my now, so then render my now dot render my now dot render. So what is that one? So in the index page we have to create it, right? So in the index page we have to create it. So first we can call this layouts. Okay, so here we are created the layouts. Then create root target, the index.html. I'm creating div id equal to my now. Okay. There is this one. Yes. Okay, so now this one is called, so no errors, nothing is happening. Okay, no errors are there. For suppose, so where is this one? Where in the index.js, the index.js. So we have to call that layout component. So not like this. So we have to call here export default. So then function my app. Okay, so then inside our return what is this one? So this is a routing concept. So we have to browser or router. Okay, browser router completed. So before this one, so it's a tree structure. Okay, a route. Okay, so inside route also we have another, so it's a route. So before this one, routes, yes. So inside this one we have a route, so each link. Route. Okay, so then we can close like this, like anchor tag. Now you can see. So for this one, so we can call index or first one. So without anything, so path equal to so slash. If it is a slash, so then element we have to call equal to layouts, right? So this, now I am calling my app here. It is not calling still. We come to routes. Why it is not calling slash, yes. Okay, it is not reloaded. So then now you can see. Welcome to routes. Right. So this one is called. Okay. So still we are having more concept in this routing concept. So we can discuss tomorrow. Okay. Okay. Okay, Rakesh. Rakesh, we can discuss this one.
Okay.
We can
Okay.
continue on
Okay.
Monday.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Bye.